ElementTree Iterparse strategy. I have to handle XML documents that are big enough, up to 1 GB, and parse them with Python. I am using the Iterparse function, SAC-style parsing. My concern is the following: imagine you have an XML like this. The problem is, of course, to know when I am getting a family name, as Simpsons, and when I am getting the name of one of that family member, for example Homer. What I have been doing so far is to use switches, which will tell me if I am inside a members tag or not. The code will look like this. And this works fine as the output is. My concern is that with this simple example I had to create an extra variable to know in which tag I was, on_members_tag. Imagine with the true XML examples that I have to handle, they have more nested tags. Also note that this is a very reduced example, so you can assume that I may be facing an XML with more tags, more inner tags, and trying to get different tag names, attributes, and so on. So question is, am I doing something horribly stupid here? I feel like there must be a more elegant solution to this.
Here's one possible approach. We maintain a path list and peek backwards to find the parent nodes.
PullDOM is excellent for this. You get a SAC stream. You can iterate through the stream, and when you find a node that you are interested in, load that node into a DOM fragment. Output.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.